Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Network Connections folder empty Windows 11. The first thing to do is open the command prompt console as administrators. Click Yes to access. There, run the command ipconfig/flush DNS, press enter. After this, reset the WinSock catalog using the command netsh winsock reset, press enter. Now restart the computer to apply these changes and make them effective. When you enter Windows, in the search box, enter Network. Open the Network Reset option. Here, click on the button, Reset Now and then Yes to confirm. You can close the pop-up window. Finally, restart the system to apply the change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.